Twice,
Okay,
fold it
Gotcha.
again,
okay.
How, like this?
Okay.
just fold it in half
Okay.
again.
Okay, okay.
Okay,
Uh-huh.
got you.
Got it.
Everybody see that?
Yep,
Got
yep,
it.
Yeah.
got it, got it.
No, you need to be
That's not-
square, darling. Do it
Here,
the other
this
way.
way. Follow the thing on it.
Lengthwise.
Is she using her placemat?
You're using your placemat. You need your napkin, not your placemat. Where's your
Grab
napkin?
the napkin.
Here, just use
Here,
it.
grab Hunter's.
Oh, okay. Oh, there.
There's
That
it.
will work
And then
there.
fold it up there.
Okay, like
Now
that.
you're with us. There you go.
Okay, got
Okay,
you.
all right. So now you've got the square and you've got the little flappy things down here, right?
Mhm.
Okay, so lay it down.
Vertical,
Flappy
diagonal.
things down.
Okay.
Okay,
Take your first flap and fold it up
all the
Okay.
way, okay.
like
Got
this.
you.
Got it.
Mhm.
Take your next flap and fold it halfway up the top flap, like this.
Okay,
Mhm.
mm-hmm, okay.
Wait, now I'm not quite, I've got this and what do I do next?
You have to take your flaps,
Uh-huh.
start with the stop.
Right, okay.
Mhm.
Next flappy slightly below that,
Mhm.
next flappy slightly below that.
Mhm.
Okay,
And then we flip it over.
Flip the whole thing
Okay.
over.
okay, it's a little better, okay.
Bring over one corner nice and tight.
Okay. Oh, I know we did something wrong, Tom. We need to fold it over more.
That's when you gotta bring the other one over nice and
See,
tight.
like it's gonna overlap.
Right.
Okay.
Okay,
That's
and then
what
you turn it over.
we're- Okay.
upside
there we
down.
go. Mhm. And then we get started.
You're
Okay.
now turn it around.
Turn it around like this. and
180
it's like
degrees.
this.
The
Oh,
bottom
got
is the
it.
top.
Oh,
There we
okay.
go. Now,
Okay,
now
now.
put them under.
Okay.
Okay, so top flappy up,
Up, top, flappy up.
over the top.
Okay.
Next flappy
Under.
under
Under.
the first flappy.
Uh-huh.
Got it.
There you go.
Okay.
Next flappy under the second flappy.
Right, okay. The next flappy
This is
under.
highly technical language. Next flappy under the next one.
Scary thing is we know what you mean.
Kathy, I think you're gonna get it this time.
I got it this
You
time.
got it.
And then the next flappy under that
All
for
right.
your
There you
base.
go. Let's see.
Okay, just
And bottom line, it ends up being a lesson in. So now you've got your little
Futility.
Christmas tree. See, there
Yeah,
you go.
Okay. Oh,
There you
it's
go.
better. It's better.
better. Yeah, that's
Well,
wonderful.
let's see how-
Thank you. That is so.